This video explains how to use SolidWorks to make a CIRCLIP. So we start from new part, click OK. To create a model, firstly, we need to draw a sketch. Use a sketch to draw two circles first. Click the command, click the reference plane, front plane, click the center line, and drag the diameter of this one is 11. The radius of that one is 5.5. Right. Then we can use the smart dimension to double check. Okay. Then we draw other one. Click along this line anywhere, click and drag and click. The radius of that one is 3.3. Next is to use a smart dimension to set distance between two centers. Click and click, drag. So that distance is 5. Right. Now we need actually use the command to remove the extra lines. So it's a trim. Right. And now we can extrude it. Click on the features, extend. Here, we click on mid-plane. Then we can give the thickness, which is 1 millimeter. Right, press enter. So you have the solid part. And just click, and next is to make some holes on this one, which is use the extended cut. That's command, but we need to draw the profile first. Click on sketch. And just close this one, click on sketch. Then select the reference plane here, the front plane. Right. We use, click that one, circle by center point, click that one. So the diameter of that one is 3.3. Right. Can confirm and go to feature, extend cut. So the thickness is that one for mid-plane, that's fine. Okay. Click. Now we need to draw the slot and two holes. So again, we do the click on the sketch, select that reference plane. We can make this and as a front view like this. Okay, it's easier. And we can draw a circle here. The diameter of this circle is 1, so the radius 0.5. Draw another one, 0.5. So they are aligned to each other. Next is to draw a slot with a rectangle shape. Click here and drag down here. Okay. Now we use a smart dimension. So use the horizontal distance dimension from there to the center of there. That distance is 1.8. Right. There. There. It's the same. Right. Then the distance from there. Click on the distance from there to the center here. Click on that center to edge. So that is 1 millimeter. Then we use smart dimension. That is 2 millimeter. Okay, we got all the profile. Go to features, cut, double check these are okay. Click. And now you have a CIRCLIP, and you need to add chamfers to it. That's it for this video.